Welcome to Wolver Channel, Ultimate Token Creation Masterclass from zero to crypto hero in 4 minutes. Attention, this is your ticket to financial freedom. Future millionaires, crypto kings, and blockchain entrepreneurs, this is your moment. Stop scrolling and pay attention. In just 4 minutes, you'll learn how to launch your own token on Ethereum, BSC, Polygon, Base, and more. Solana fans, you'll get yours next time. This isn't just another tutorial. This is your blueprint to crypto dominance. Step 1. Unlock the secret weapon, remix.eth. Warning, skip this and you'll stay exactly where you are, watching others get rich. Open your browser right now and go to remix.eth. This is your crypto war room, where million-dollar tokens are born. Step 2. Code your fortune, the smart contract. This is where your token gets its soul. Create new file. Name it something like wolfcoin.sol. The .sol is critical. Paste your contract code. Don't have one? Message me immediately for a battle-tested template. Problem? No contract? Don't panic. I've got you covered. Step 3. Compile like a crypto genius. Click Compile. If you see a green checkmark, you're on your way. Red error? Don't waste time. Message me and I'll fix it. Step 4. Deploy. The moment of legend. This is where you become a blockchain titan. Connect your wallet, MetaMask, Trust, etc. Choose your chain, ETH, BSC, Polygon, your call. Set your token's destiny. Name. Make it iconic. Wolfcoin, Moonfuel, Crypto Beast. Supply. You decide the future. Symbol. 3 to 4 letters. Wolf, Moon, Bull. Hit deploy and confirm. Boom. Your token is now live on the blockchain. Step 5. Claim your power. Add to wallet. Copy your contract address. Don't lose it. Open your wallet. Import token. Paste address. Witness your creation. Congratulations. You're officially a token creator. Bonus. 3 secrets to make your token unstoppable. Add liquidity, or your token is worthless. Build your army. Create a Telegram group now. Get listed. CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, where the big money flows. Need help? I'll guide you. Message me. Final warning. Don't let your token die. If you don't do these 3 things right now, you'll regret it. Smash like, or the algorithm buries you. Subscribe now. I drop crypto secrets weekly. Share this. Tag your future rich friends. Special bonus. First 100 get a free audit. Message me Wolf Token on Telegram now, and I'll audit your contract for free. Time is running out.